Hello! Welcome to my channel! Good morning! Good morning parin. Good morning kung sa kayo na lugar. Pilipinas, good afternoon. Good evening sa US. Lahat. Good evening. How are you all? Hopefully everything is good. So guys, because I'm craving mango, I sent to my husband in the market and then he bought this mango. I don't know what kind of mango this because Bella give me this, di ba? Bagoong Barrio Pesta. Oh my God. Buti pa tong bagoong guys. He came from Nepal. And then with sausawan, isausawan ko to guys. Bagoong and mango. My husband buy mango to mango. Obviously, again, he buy again that what's his name? Sitaw or so. Long beans. Tapos, he bought also the capsicum and cucumber. Sophia favorite guys, cucumber plus carrots. Ayan, para lang to ano guys, ano to tawag dito? Para tong rabbit si Sophia guys. She like too much carrots. And then also my husband also bought me banana. Mhm. I don't know this is Sabah or whatever, guys. I told him when he come again, he told, yeah, I will try to check if boil this one or else if they already ripe, I think I can make it pamay-pay. Hmm? It boiled, I can mix with this bagoong. Hindi ba guys? Comment down below what's the name this one in the Philippines. I don't know what's the
Banana.
Yeah, I know that's banana, but they're called sab'a or whatever. I know in Cebu, we call sab'a.
In Nepal, we call kera.
Kira. Oh, in Nepal, guys, the banana here in Nepal is kera. Next time, I will do tutorial from Nepal to Tagalog. Or else, slash Cebuano. Di ba? Ito, guys, ang laki ng cucumber, guys.
This is a very tasty cucumber.
And then, I think this is local.
Local.
This is local, yeah. And the letter, oh my God!
What's that? Looks like a lemon.
Like a lemon, guys, see? Oh, somebody making, I think, Sophia, guys. Ang rat, guys, oh. I'm always joking for Sophia.
What's that?
Making hole.
No, what's that?
What's that?
You holding?
Mango!
Green mango.
Thank you to my husband. Oh, this. Thank you for Bella. Actually, it's already small. Baka naman, sponsor naman dyan. Palipad sa Pilipinas at Nepal. Bye for now, guys. Be kind and be happy. I love you all. See ya. Mwah. Guys, kain tayo. Satisfy craving, guys. Pero ang asim, grabe. We'll try. My saliva is out already, guys. Yung amoy, Diyos ko. But Sophia, she doesn't like the smelling. But me, I like the smelling. Yummy. Makapawaw, guys. Sarap ng bagoong. Yummy. Satisfies craving, guys. Pagi ako nasa Pinas, guys, no? Sarap. Ay, liso yata to. Part niya. Part niya yung kula. Ang sarap. In fairness. Look guys, nagpapawisan ako. I'm sweating. Too much hot here in Nepal. And then, the electricity always go 4 hours or 5 hours. Sarap. Mukbang mango. This is the one I miss in Philippines, guys. Because my grandma in the province, they have too much mango plum for export the mango. And then sometimes my sister, my siblings, either binigay you add and toyo ano with the kibansa, what is name? Sugar. Oh my god, yummy na guys. Sarap. Iba talaga ang Pinoy gas, oh. Kasarap guys. Mukbang ng mango. So yummy. Bye now. Love you guys. Weekend, I love you. Kanta naman ka. Continue na ako kay mangga. Bye. Good evening guys. I'm making ice candy. Mango ice candy. Thank you Bella for the plastic. Only in Philippines guys in the plastic because here in the Nepal we don't have plastic. We have but we don't have like this for the ice candy. And then now I make it the mango ice candy guys. It's evening already. I just make it so that because in the morning you cannot do anything guys. It's very hot. Especially here in the kitchen, I cannot stay long time. Now, already late, but I'm almost done for making my ice candy. I put this one, I mix with the mango, and then sugar and milk, guys. I mix it. I'm going to finish. Like this only guys. So that tomorrow we can eat. You know what I miss? The halo-halo in Philippines. Especially in the Chowking. Their halo-halo, oh my god, is very yummy guys. The halo-halo in the Philippines guys. Oh my god, sorry guys, my dog is very very noisy. Now I'm done, my loves. I check how many I have make it. Only this one have fresh milk, and then one mango, and then I put also little one 2 spoon of cornstarch, guys, so that it will become more the ice, no, the ice, it will become yummy. Because before I try it, make it, but I did not put the cornstarch. And then when I eat, it's like a ice. That's why. And then Bella also, she also do with this. She putting also with cornstarch. Now I'm done with my ice candy. Oh my god. We call this one in Philippines ice candy. And then the flavor of my ice candy is mango. Now my baby Sophia tomorrow, she's happy for this. She like this one, guys. Oh my god, I'm ready. I'm so happy. Now I place it here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 21, 22, guys. 22, I make it. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Yeah, but I have still the plastic here, guys. I still have plastic. Next time I will try to make the avocado. I will check in the department store and then I will, if avocado is available here. Here you go, mga my loves. Ice candy is ready. Bye. Be kind and be happy. Good night all. I love you. Love you. Bye-bye. Now we're changing, guys, the beaches. Like I don't want to go outside. I feel very hot. Like I don't want to do anything in the house. Like I want to relax, take shower, and then relax. But how you can relax? As a mother, as a wife, oh my God. Here, this Sophia also cannot sleep without her stuff. Now time to change the bedsheet. I need to make it quickly, guys, because Sophia is coming soon. Hi. How's in Philippines, guys? All over the world. How are you? Kung saan kayo? It's hot also there in your place. Grabe here in Nepal, guys. Grabe. As in grabe. And then apart from that, the electricity will cut. Yesterday, I think 5 hours. Oh my God. 5 hours they cut the electricity. They are fixing. I don't know why fixing. During the winter time, they are not fixing. Now, during the hot season, too much fixing. I cannot understand also this area. At least they give, no? Because at least maximum 1 hour. Oh my God, too much. 5 hours, 6 hours. And then, see, the old, it will make. How about the kids? Before my mother, she's here, and then now she go back in the Bayrao and another one. She told that, oh my God, I'm going to collapse there in their house now, she told. Ay, no, I'm dancing here. Ay, nako! Just enjoy life na lang, guys. That's why I always keep in my mind, just always be happy. Even struggle is difficult. Be happy and be kind. That is I'm always keeping that one to Sophia also. So that when she grow up, she will remain that one, be happy and be kind. I know struggle. Struggle is life. But God is good. We are thankful also for every day we wake up. Thankful for everything. God is with us. That's it, only my intention, guys. Oh my God. Like I'm up and down, guys. Turning up and down. Non-stop talaga, guys, no? Non-stop, mother. I make it quickly, guys, because my baby will come. I cannot do anything because she want me to always with her. She don't want to do anything. She will come, I give her food, and then we're still talking. Thank you for always watching, guys. Thank you for also your support. I love you all. Later ulit, guys. Now, finally, I'm done this area. Now, I'm going to sala, guys. And then here, the small study table of Sophia we bring here because outside she cannot do study there, or else she cannot write because due to hot, very hot outside already. Fine, we have at least here in the room we have when she came, she will eat, and then after she will go sit down there for her homework because every day she has homework. That's why. Now I'm done. Babalik ako. See you guys.
क्यों प्याज स्याज केही पनि छैन है